Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is me, Qari Faisal Shafiq, an awarded Quran reciter from Join Online Quran Institute. Hope you are doing well. In the previous lectures, we started Noon Sakin and Tanween rules and we discussed intro of Noon Sakin and Tanween. Then we discussed two rules of Noon Sakin and Tanween. First one was Izhar rule and the second one was Idgham rule. And today we are going to discuss third rule of Noon Sakin and Tanween, which is Iqlab rule. Okay, first of all, we need to know what is Iqlab. What's Iqlab means? Okay, Iqlab means to change. It means we have to convert or change Noon Sakin or Tanween sound into Meme. Okay, Iqlab means actually to change or convert. So the second thing we need to know how many iqlab letters are. Like in Izhar rule, there were 6 throat letters, and in the second rule, there were also 6 Yarmalun letters. And now in this third rule, iqlab rule, there is only one iqlab letter, which is ba. And how many iqlab letters are? There is only one iqlab letter, which is ba. So now we learn two things. What is iqlab? Iqlab means to change or convert. And the second thing, how many iqlab letters are? There is only one iqlab letter, which is ba. After that, now we are going to discuss iqlab rule. Okay, what's iqlab rule? When the letter after Noon Sakin and Tanween is iqlab letter ba, we will change the sound of Noon Sakin and Tanween into Meme and we will stretch the nasal sound for 2 seconds. This is Iqlab rule. Okay, so now I'm going to explain you with examples. So now you can see here example of Noon Sakin and Tanween with Iqlab rule. Okay, you can see here these red colored letters. Here is Noon Sakin. Noon is coming here with this Sakun sign, and after Noon Sakin there is Ba, which is Iqlab letter. So what you will do, you will change the sound of Noon into Meme because Noon Sakin is followed by the letter Ba, which is Iqlab letter. So how you can read this? You have to read this like batat. Normally we read this batat with the noon sound. But now you can apply izhar rule here because after noon sakin there is ba, which is iqlab letter. So you have to change, you have to convert the sound of noon into meme, and you can see a little tiny meme here for reminder when you will recite. So you can see a little meme on Quranic letter so that you can convert the sound of noon into meme. So similarly here you can see there are two fathas here. That's mean it's tanween here, and after tanween the next letter is ba here. You will change the sound of tanween into meme. Like normally we read this qawlan with noon sound, but here you have to change the sound of noon into meme like qawlan balighan. Qawlan. We cannot read this like qawlan. Okay, hope you got it all. We can just revise once. What's iqlab means? Iqlab means to change or convert, and there is only one iqlab letter, which is ba. And when the letter after noon sakin and tanween is ba from iqlab letters, so you will change the sound of noon sakin and tanween into meme, and you will stretch the nasal sound for 2 seconds, and you can see a little tiny meme on tanween and on noon sakin as well when these two letters followed by the letter ba. Hope you got it. Inshallah, we'll see you in the next lecture. Take a good care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.